Deep beneath the Earth's surface lies one of the most powerful natural elements ever discovered by humanity.
An element capable of lighting entire cities, powering submarines deep beneath the ocean, and changing the course of modern history forever.
This element is uranium.
Found inside ancient rocks formed billions of years ago, uranium has become one of the world's most controversial resources. To others, it symbolizes danger, radiation, and environmental risk. But how is uranium actually produced? And what dangerous process transforms raw rock into fuel capable of generating nuclear power? This is the story of uranium.
The journey begins underground.
Uranium is a naturally occurring radioactive metal found in small quantities across the Earth's crust. Most uranium was formed billions of years ago during massive stellar explosions long before Earth even existed. Today, mining companies search for these rare deposits using geological surveys, satellite imaging, and underground testing. Once a deposit is discovered, extraction begins. Some uranium mines are massive open pits carved deep into the earth, while others operate through underground tunnel systems stretching for kilometers beneath the surface. Gigantic drilling machines break apart layers of rock while heavy vehicles transport enormous amounts of ore to processing facilities nearby. But uranium mining is unlike ordinary mining. Radiation itself cannot be seen, smelled, or touched. Yet prolonged exposure can seriously damage living cells and human health.
For this reason, workers wear protective equipment and radiation monitoring devices while operating inside controlled areas. Copy that. Levels are stable. Proceed with caution.
Ventilation systems remove radioactive dust from underground tunnels, and environmental teams constantly monitor air, soil, and water quality around mining sites. Despite these precautions, uranium mining remains a complex and potentially hazardous industry. Once the ore is removed from the ground, the next stage begins. Massive grinding systems then turn the rock into a fine powder. At this point, the uranium is still trapped inside the crushed material. To separate it, chemical solutions are carefully used to dissolve the uranium particles from the surrounding rock. This process creates a concentrated uranium product commonly known as yellowcake. Despite its name, yellowcake is not fuel yet. It is simply a concentrated uranium powder that must undergo additional refinement before it can be used in nuclear reactors. Highly controlled facilities package the material into sealed containers for transportation under strict international regulations.
Security during transport is extremely important.
Because uranium is radioactive, governments and international organizations carefully regulate how it is handled, stored, and transported across borders. From here, the uranium enters one of the most advanced industrial processes in the world, enrichment. Natural uranium contains different types of uranium atoms called isotopes. Most of it consists of uranium-238, while only a tiny percentage is uranium-235, the isotope commonly used in many nuclear reactors because of its ability to sustain controlled nuclear reactions. To increase the concentration of uranium-235, uranium must go through a highly technical process called enrichment. Inside specialized facilities, uranium is converted into a gas and processed through advanced centrifuge systems, spinning at extremely high speeds. These machines separate isotopes based on tiny differences in mass. The process is incredibly precise and carefully monitored under international nuclear regulations. Enriched uranium produced for civilian nuclear power plants is maintained at controlled levels suitable for energy generation. After enrichment, the material is converted into small ceramic fuel pellets. Each pellet is surprisingly compact, often smaller than a fingertip, yet capable of producing enormous amounts of energy. The pellets are stacked into long metal tubes known as fuel rods. These rods are then assembled into fuel bundles used inside nuclear reactors. And this is where uranium's extraordinary power becomes visible. Inside a nuclear power plant, uranium atoms undergo controlled nuclear fission. When uranium-235 atoms split, they release large amounts of heat energy. That heat boils water into steam. And the turbines generate electricity capable of powering millions of homes.
Supporters of nuclear energy argue that it offers a reliable, low-carbon energy source for a growing world population.
But the technology also comes with serious challenges. Nuclear power requires extremely high safety standards because radioactive materials must be carefully managed at every stage.
Even so, past nuclear disasters have shaped global public opinion about uranium and nuclear energy.
Events such as the Chernobyl disaster and the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster revealed how dangerous nuclear accidents can become under extreme circumstances. These incidents led to major reforms in reactor safety emergency planning, and international nuclear regulations worldwide. Another major challenge is radioactive waste. Spent nuclear fuel remains radioactive for long periods and must be carefully stored in secure facilities designed to isolate it from the environment.
Our simulations show advanced reactors could improve efficiency by 22% and cut waste by 20%.
Impressive. The containment models for long-term storage are also exceeding projected energy.
At the same time, many countries continue investing in nuclear energy as part of their future energy strategies. As climate concerns grow and global energy demand increases, some experts believe nuclear power may play an important role in reducing dependence on fossil fuels. That extraordinary power is both its greatest advantage and its greatest responsibility.
Today, scientists, engineers, regulators, and environmental experts work together to ensure nuclear
Technology is used safely and responsibly.
Because the story of uranium is not simply about energy. It is about humanity's relationship with power itself. A power capable of transforming civilization, but one that must always be handled with caution, knowledge, and respect. As the documentary comes to an end, the moves across glowing cities powered by electricity, vast industrial facilities, deep underground mines, and advanced nuclear reactors operating silently in the night. Hidden inside each reactor lies uranium, an ancient element born in exploding stars billions of years ago. An element that continues to shape the future of our world. And perhaps the greatest question humanity still faces is not whether uranium is powerful, but whether we are wise enough to use that power responsibly.